And welcome to part 22 of Marriage is a Relationship and Divorce is a Pain. So today we're talking about we got to never criticize or condemn, but rather say no or reduce your nagging and reduce your nitpicking. So N stands for nagging and nitpicking, but please remember sometimes nagging is important. You got to remind the husband, go look for a job, or take out the trash can. Got to remind, sometimes nag. Okay, go do your studies, study for your exams. Sometimes nagging is important, but don't let it become a major issue. All right, don't let it become a major issue that affects the relationship. So, David Barry says that in this quotation, most married couples, even though they love each other very much in theory, tend to view each other in practice as large teeming flaw colonies, as if there's a whole lot of flaws in them. The result of being that they get on each other's nerves. They irritate, and regularly erupt into vicious emotional shouting matches over such small issues like the settings on your toaster, or why did you move the microwave button? But I left the butter there, the margarine was there. Who moved it? And then it's a bomb blast in the house. Why? Because the margarine was moved a little bit. All right. So don't nitpick. If you want to nag on the correct issues. Go look for a job. Put in your CV. Study for your exams. Switch off your TV. Focus on your exam. That's fine. But with small minor things, don't nitpick. Okay. Nagging and nitpicking are related to petty problems that can sour a good relationship. More important than that is the error of criticism. Don't just keep on criticizing and demean the person. The people that are close to you need your love and support. They don't need your criticism. Criticize positively where required. We need to give each other encouragement. Your husband is not perfect. Your wife is not perfect. We know their strengths and weaknesses. We know their trigger buttons. We know what's going to press them. We know what buttons to press. But if you truly love them, then respect and honor them. Talk to them nicely. Don't humiliate them. Don't shame them. Give them a chance to talk. If they want to talk something inside, give them a few minutes to express what they want to say. Don't just stand up and walk away. So the tongue can be used for words of love. This tongue is very powerful. It can be used for words of love and kindness and respect and gentleness, or it can be used as poison or destruction or like a whiplash. With the tongue, whiplash, with the tongue. You can break someone's heart with his tongue. You can break a person's heart with his tongue. Or it can be used for healing, the same tongue. Contempt for another person is when you have a very low opinion of that person. There is no harm in encouraging and supporting your partner to improve certain areas of the life, but this must be done with respect. Okay, so let's reduce our nitpicking. Stay well, look after yourself.